Hello there everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to introduce a few herbs and how to use them for better health. Here are 5 plants we can use to improve our health depending on the condition. Number 1 on the list is Arnica flower. Arnica is an herbaceous plant that is part of the sunflower family. The flowers and roots of the plants are used to treat many health issues. Arnica comes in the form of lotion, gel, ointments, and tablets. Research suggests that Arnica can be used for bruises, sprains, and other athletic injuries. Arnica is also a good remedy for osteoarthritis. For those who does not know, osteoarthritis is a disease where protective tissue at the end of your bones wears down. Osteoarthritis causes pain and swelling in the knee, hip, and other joints. This disease is more common in middle-aged people and onward. But don't worry, Arnica's got your back. As a disclaimer, there are some possible side effects when using Arnica. One of the most common one is skin irritation. Also, do not use Arnica if you are allergic to plants in the sunflower family. If you are taking medications regularly, make sure you talk to your healthcare provider before using any products made with Arnica. Next on the list is Alfalfa, which is also known as lucerne. Alfalfa is a flowering plant in the legume family Fabaceae. Although alfalfa is most commonly grown as food for livestock animals, the herb can be consumed as a good source for vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, iron, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Alfalfa comes in the forms of tablets, tea, and dried herbs. Some research have suggested that alfalfa can help prevent cholesterol penetration in the stomach. Due to its weak estrogen-like actions, alfalfa has traditionally been used for women experiencing menopausal symptoms. Traditional Chinese physicians have also used alfalfa leaves to treat the digestive system for poor digestion. As a bonus, alfalfa supplements can be used to treat things like diabetes, asthma, arthritis, excessive bruising, and bleeding. And some have also suggested that it can help with urinary tract infections. Possible side effects of using alfalfa supplements include diarrhea, gas, and abdominal discomfort. However, these are most likely to happen if the herb is consumed raw. Lastly, be aware that alfalfa lowers blood sugar. For number 3, we have blue vervain, or some of you might know it as Verbena hastata. Verbena is part of the flowering plant family of Verbenaceae. The plant is very common in North America. Blue vervain is a good plant when it comes to treating things like anxiety and other emotional issues. Some use the plant to calm down cranky children, as an antidepressant or as a sedative. This plant can also be used to help with chronic pain, help suppress muscle spasm, reduce fever, help with insomnia, and last but not least, help treat someone who is diaphoretic. Vervain can be found in the form of ointment or powder. It can also be boiled as a tea, which is the most common way it is used for people who are familiar with it. The most common side effects while using blue vervain are gas and indigestion. And of course, like with everything else, you should consult your healthcare provider before using it. For number 4, we have Bonset. Bonset is a plant that is mostly found in North America and it's part of the aster family. The plant also goes by other names like sweating plant or argueweed. It's also used to be called breakbone fever. Bonset is a really great medicinal plant to help clear mucus, reduce fever, help with most muscular conditions like soreness, pain, and locospasm. Bonset is also a really good medicine for flu-like symptoms. The plant is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. The plant can be harvested, dried, and made into a tea for consumption. There are also a few supplements of Bonset that can be used. However, be very careful when using this plant. Consuming a large amount of it can make one feel the possible side effect of diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting. The plant is very toxic, so I advise anyone thinking about using it to do a lot of research first and to make sure to consult with your healthcare provider. At number 5, we have Chaparral leaf, or as it is most commonly called, Laurea tridentata. This is a flowering plant part of the Zygophalaceae family. This plant is mostly known to grow in the warm deserts of North America. Oftentimes, Tea made with the chaparral leaf is used to treat common cold and bronchitis. The plant can also be used as an antioxidant, blood cleanser, to treat some skin problems, and arthritis. The plant is also believed to help with anti-aging properties and might also be anti-carcinogenic. While there's many great benefits from using chaparral leaf, there are some possible side effects. To name some: nausea, weight loss, vomiting, and maybe a few more. So it is wise to do a good amount of research. Also, always check with your healthcare provider before using any medicine that you are not quite familiar with. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 5 good medicinal plants to add to your list of health and wellness. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you again next time. Please like and subscribe. Love and peace to all of you.